Norvision. Welcome here at the beautiful Penn State Harrisburg main lobby campus here, and we've got a donor wall, which is here to recognize all the donors, all the people who contributed to the organization. So this is a beautiful way to recognize them. We've got photos of different members scrolling, programs scrolling here in the background, and then we've got this menu right here. Users can click into here and find more information, everything from your donors, impact stories, learn more about the organization, a message from the dean, upcoming events, alumni. If you click into the donor section, we've got the different tiers of donors. Also find ways to give. You're able to scroll through here to see all the donors. You can search as well. I just jumped to that profile, but if I hit the search bar, I can search through. It'll jump to different areas, different profiles. You can have videos and pictures of all the donors, really allow the viewer to connect. We've got this cool app, just a little QR code here. If you scan it, what it'll do is it'll pull up a menu here on my phone, which allows me to click through the presentation so I don't have to touch it, just in case, you got to worry about bugs and germs and that type of thing. But it's a beautiful way to recognize donors. If you're interested, let us know. We'd love to help you out. Thanks for listening.